From January 6 to 9, 2026, Las Vegas, USA becomes the crossroads of global innovation. CES 2026 is themed on the emergence of innovators, attracting over 4,000 companies to compete on the same stage. A record-breaking peak in visitor traffic on the opening day. With wan AIChef Ultra and Yingzi OS as the core, we showed the world a complete solution for the future kitchen ecosystem. During the exhibition, the wan AIChef booth drew steady crowds all day long. The brand's launch event reached 1,600 media outlets worldwide. It also won 5 authoritative honors, winning USA Today's top picks, selected as one of the top 100 innovations at CES 2026. Selected by Homecrix's CES 2026 Best Home and Outdoor Innovations. Selected as Food Network Editor's Pick. And won the Best of CES award from Sukin. Over 500 industry pioneers and opinion leaders attended. From a stunning product debut to in-depth industry insights, we explored the future of AI cooking agents together, how to become a creator in the smart kitchen, and expand everyone's cooking boundaries. Forbes review pointed out that cooking has become a data-driven process. Yahoo Finance reported that the company is redefining the way kitchens operate. Innovation goes beyond independent single-focus appliances to create an adaptive smart ecosystem.
We always look for guided ways, new ways to cook products and new ways to do it. So the guided steps, I like the ability that it can adjust based on the rating. And it's very clean and easy. One thing about us Americans, never underestimate how lazy we can be.
It's really autonomous, so we don't have to care about setting up all the details. I'm really thrilled to see this kind of innovation. We are actually waiting for this kind of innovation in Japan as well.
It's really innovative. Caring for older adults and they can't really cook that well, or it's really easy for it to do it.
The true peak of technology is when complexity becomes invisible. The cooking area becomes the visual center of the living room, no longer facing away from family while preparing dinner. The cooking process itself becomes a scene for family interaction.
I feel that this takes out the stress in cooking. I love that it guides me or anybody on how to cook. It cooks for you and you could do whatever you need to do at home.
So I think it's a very decent product for people who are in a rush and they don't know what they need to do and how they're going to cook the food. They can just pop it in, press the button, it knows what it needs to do, and you're done.
It can save time cooking and maybe people can get better flavor.
It's very genius that you came up with that where there's a camera inside of it. It actually detects, even though that it tells you 15 minutes, but it's also measuring the temperature. That's fantastic.
I think that's the biggest thing is if you have a family is to buy something like this because you don't want to waste all day cooking and then come to a meal that you can't eat. Because when you all of a sudden put it in this, you all of a sudden have freedom. So you can go spend time with the family, you can go spend time with the kids. You can actually go enjoy that game night with the kids and not have to go check the oven every 2 minutes.
It's unique, it's a mind blower. If I were renovating a house, I would certainly consider it.
wan AIChef Ultra first landed in North America, attracted 30 mainstream S-level channels and retailers for in-depth evaluation and cooperation.
So many people are afraid to cook in a microwave, but with this thing having all of the AI built into it so that I can just pick a potato or something like that, and it's going to cook it, I think it's going to be a real big hit.
I'm excited for what the technology can do in the future of it.
I believe this AIChef over here is going to be very big in the future. I can't wait to use it more and learn more about the product.
This product really is very neat. I like it a lot. It would be able to give me a better meal, I think, than a typical microwave oven. I think it would be a great thing to buy in the future.
There's a solution right here, right? So I think this is probably the most impressive product that I've seen so far.
It's just making my life easy. I like anything that's going to make my life easier. So that's what I love. It takes the guesswork out of, making dinner. So that means I'll eat at home more.
During the exhibition, we have successfully entered the Beverly Hills Offline Experience store in Los Angeles and successfully hosted an exclusive VIP experience for Pagenpol, the Rolls-Royce of the kitchen cabinetry world and a leading German high-end kitchen brand. This marks that our business model has been verified by the cutting-edge market. International industry attention extends beyond its automation capabilities to the strength of its technological solutions, demonstrating strong cultural inclusivity and universal applicability across scenarios. The system has recipes that cross Chinese and Western, and we conducted in-depth recipe research and flavor validation based on North American dining preferences, ensuring the kitchen of the future truly fits every table.
My wife is an excellent cook, but she does a lot of preparing. To have something like this that doesn't require all the preparing, that the system actually prepares for you. The only thing you have to do is do the seasoning.
The innovation is super exciting at CES, and meeting partners like you guys and innovators like you guys is super exciting to figure out how we can make things more convenient for all of us.
I think this is a really curious thing for the US market.
Just click a recipe and it follows it for me. I think that's the coolest thing I've seen all day.
This product is really amazing.
I love that.
It's an interesting product.
It's very genius.
Just now starting to get AI assistive cooking.
It's quite interesting.
The AI chef is crazy, amazing. I'm blown away. This is what y'all need. If you can cook or if you can't cook.
I think it's a big win.
That's great because you open it, you put it in one time, take it out one time, saves you time.
Yeah, it's really cool. I didn't expect it to cook food so fast.
I enjoy this product. This is very cool.
Smart cooking is really starting to take off now. Super clear and a nice user interface.
CES 2026 marked wan AIChef's full debut on the world's premier technology stage and a successful validation of both its technological vision and business model. During the exhibition, it achieved 9.66 million brand exposures and 15,000 high-quality professional visitors, over 368 groups of high-quality merchants. The resources cover over 30 countries and regions worldwide. A strategic partnership was established with Ocean Casa Living, a premium kitchenware distributor in the United States, achieving a double breakthrough in brand volume and business expansion. It successfully took a key step into the U.S. market. Taking this as a new starting point, we will continue to deepen technological research and localization adaptation, leading the evolution of the next generation of kitchen interaction systems, and promote the globalization of the smart kitchen ecosystem. In the age of AI, cook with wan AIChef.